Here's how to use Granola AI. First is what you need to do is to click on the new note options. From the new note options, you will be able to see there the meetings that you wanted to take note on. So Granola is actually good for those people who wanted to take the minutes of meeting or who wanted to take some notes from the conference or seminar that they are with. All you need to do is to make sure that you have allowed the microphone to actually eligible to your Granola AI account. And afterwards, it will now start recording the teachings, conference, seminars, as well as the meetings. And what you need to do is to click on the end option and it will generate into notes. So this is actually good for those people who have a profession that goes to different meetings, conferences, as well as seminars because it will help you to take down notes or to take down the minutes of the meeting easily. So if you're this kind of person, Granola AI is the right one for you.